Here's Premiere Pro, here's a task manager, and proxies were created, and look at the GPU usage when I'm using proxies. As you can see, we have high frame rate and we have high processor usage. It was around 100%. Okay, that is very fine. High GPU usage and high frame rate. Now why this is not happening, the high frame rate and the high GPU usage, when we are not using proxies? Without proxies, GPU usage is at 6%, 7, and frames per second are minimal, so it's not decoding the video, it's not doing anything that GPU. Only when I use proxies, now it's decoding it at 100%, 99. Very interesting. Now it's without proxies, low frame rate and low GPU usage, 9%, 6%, and with proxies, high GPU usage and high frame rate. Very interesting.